So this is the Tecno Camon 20 Pro. Of a decent phone for the price. So I bought it for around 19,000, and this is 128 8 GB variant. Looks really premium. So we have a 64 megapixel OIS camera, and this is kind of aura light, whatever it is, just a flashlight. So we'll try to turn it on. So this will be a 6.7 AMOLED display, and we have screen card pre-installed. On the top we have speakers. So this is actually stereo speakers and mic. On the right side we have volume rockers and power button. So for this model we have fingerprint on the display itself. Downside we do have headphone jack and USB-C and another mic and speaker. And the left we have dedicated slot for SD and two SIM cards. So coming to box, we do have a case. So it's a pretty good quality case. It's not just any other regular case. So wait. So this will be the look with case, and we do have 33-watt power adapter with the SIM ejector pin and USB-C, of course. Yeah, I have set up the phone, and the display looks good. It's not the best AMOLED I have seen, but the design is absolutely good. Coming to performance, it is good, but I would recommend you to remove animations, because there are like some unwanted animations and some bloatware like this palm store, mobile phone, whatever it is. So we have to remove all this junk. I think it can't be removed. So some apps like My Health and all can be disabled. And you can do that. Touch response is also good. I will upload another video regarding the long-term review, and stay tuned, guys.